Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll explain what the X app is, previously known as the Twitter, and show you how to use. Let's get started. X is a social media platform where people share short posts, formerly called tweets. You can share text, photos, videos, and links, follow other accounts, join conversations, and keep up with trending topics worldwide. It is used for news, entertainment, discussions, and networking. Now, to use it, first you need to download your app if you haven't. So open up your app store, then search X on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, create an account using your email, phone number, Apple ID, pick a username and set up your profile picture, bio and banner image. When you open the app, the home page is where you see the posts from people you follow as well as recommended content. Here you can scroll down to find more content. Then you can use the search bar right here at the bottom of the page. The search bar to find trending hashtags, news or accounts. Tap notifications right here, the bell icon at the bottom of the page. Tap on that to see notifications like likes, comments, reposts or mentions. The messages tab lets you send and receive private messages right here. Now to share your thoughts, tap on the plus icon right here. Tap on that to post. Type your message up to 280 characters. Add photos, videos, GIFs or polls if you want. Hit post to share it with your followers. You can also repost, like or reply to other posts to join the conversation. Search for people, brands or topics you are interested in and tap follow. The more you follow, the better your feed gets. You can also customize your feed by muting, blocking or reporting accounts and turning on notification for accounts you don't want to miss. X also offers spaces, live audio conversations you can join, and premium subscriptions like X Premium, which gives you extra features such as editing posts and longer upload. And that is how you can use the X app step by step. Whether you are here for news, networking or fun, it is a powerful way to stay connected. I hope this video helped you out guys. Like it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.